Good morning everyone. So nandito naman tayo sa ating bagong lesson sa mathematics. So we are now on quarter 3, week 3 ng division of Taguig and Pateros. So our lesson for today is about the polygon. So in this module, you're expected to learn this following topics. It's all about the polygon. Okay. So let's have a short definition here. So a polygon is a closed plane figure made up of several line segments that are joined together. A polygon with three sides is a triangle. Quadrilateral has four sides. Pentagon has five sides. Hexagon has six sides. Heptagon has seven sides. Octagon has eight sides. Nonagon has 9 sides, Decagon has 10 sides, and Undecagon has 11 sides, and the Decagon has 12 sides. And then regular polygons have equal sides and angles, while irregular polygons have an equal sides and angles. So, ang tandaan lang pag regular siya, so meaning equal sides niya, yung haba. Pag irregular naman, unequal sides. And as well as unequal angles, okay? And then polygons are congruent when both of them have the same size and shape. When tracing of one fits the other, and when their corresponding angles and sides are equal. So pag sinawag naman siyang congruent polygon, yun naman yung parehas na parehas. Parehas yung haba ng mga sides niya, parehas yung sukat ng angles niya. Walang pinagkaiba. So let's have an example here. So name the polygons, choose your answer from the box below, then write it on the blank that corresponds to the number. So number 1, bilangin natin yung size niya. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a polygon with 4 sides, we call it quadrilateral. Okay, number 2, bilangin natin yung sides niya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So a polygon with 7 sides, we call it the heptagon. And then last, number 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A figure or polygon with 6 sides, we call it the hexagon. Okay? We have given another example here. So activity number 2. So identify whether the given polygon is regular or irregular. Write your answer on the space provided. So this one, i-identify naman natin kung yung given figures dito is regular polygon ba or irregular. Pag regular, kailangan pare-parehas siya. And then irregular naman is kapag hindi siya magkakaparehas ng sides. Okay? So let's answer. Okay, so number 1, this is a regular pentagon kasi pare-parehas yung sides niya. Ayan o, yung haba niya. Number 2 naman, we have the regular octagon kasi pare-parehas yung haba ng sides din niya. At the same time, the angle as well. And then number 3, nakita natin dito na mas may merong mahaba tapos merong maiksi. So ibig sabihin, this polygon is irregular polygon na siya agad. And then next number, so tingnan natin halos pare-parehas talaga yung sides niya talaga. So it's a regular polygon. This one, may maiksi, may mahaba, may maiksi. So ibig sabihin, this is an example of regular polygon, irregular polygon. So another exercise here. So illustrate the following polygons according to their classification. Draw your answer inside the box. So we have the given polygon. We have pentagon. So pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides. So sa regular class, kailangan lang natin mag-drawing dito ng 5 sides na polygon na pare-parehas yung haba ng sides niya. Yan. So this is a regular polygon. And then the irregular pentagon naman, as long as hindi siya magkakaparehas ng haba, and 5 sides siya, okay na yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Yan. And this one naman, hexagon, 6 sides naman siya. So, kailangan pare-parehas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then dito naman, 1, tapos may mahaba agad, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yan. 6 sides siya. Basta hindi pare-parehas, irregular na siya. Always remember, regular polygon, wala pa pagkakaparehas yung equal sides niya. And irregular, kailangan hindi magkakaparehas yung haba ng sides niya. Okay? So things to remember, class. A polygon is a closed plain figure made up of several line segments that are joined together. The line segments are called sides of the polygon. They do not cross each other, and exactly two sides meet at a common point called the vertex. We classify polygons according to the number of each sides. The table below shows the names of the polygons. So, ayan na siya. Pag 3 sides, triangle, 4, quadrilateral, 5, pentagon, 6, hexagon, 7, heptagon, 8, octagon, 9, nonagon, 10, decagon, 11, and decagon, 12, the decagon, and n is n-gon. And always remember, a shape with a curved sides like a circle is not a polygon because it has no line segments. Also, shapes with intersecting lines such as figure 1, this one, is not considered as a polygon. Okay? So I think that's all for today. So if you learned from this video, kindly click like, share, and subscribe. And see you on my next video.